Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add a manager or user to Google Business Profile. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any preferred browser and search for My Business. After that, all of your business profile will be displayed on your screen. Simply access the target profile and then click on the three dots icon. After that, you're going to go into Business Profile Settings, and this is where it comes up with People and Access. Now, all of your current members will appear in front of you, so you're going to hit Add. And then, you just need to enter the target person's email and select the manager position. Once done, click on the Invite button, and you will then need to wait for them to accept the invitation. So that's basically how you can add a manager or user to Google Business Profile. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.